The elevator doors slide shut. I press the button for my floor. Warm liquid oozes out, red, thick, pooling beneath my finger. What the? I wipe my hand. It comes away clean. I press again. More blood. Every button I touch bleeds, dripping down the panel, collecting at my feet. The elevator shudders, sinking lower and lower. The floor numbers flicker backward. A crackling voice whispers through the intercom, "Welcome to the other side." I slam the emergency button. Blood spurts out, splattering my hands. The doors ding open. The lobby is empty. A trail of blood leads to the reflection in the elevator doors. My own face, terrified, covered in red. The doors close again. In the reflection, I smile and wipe my face clean. I look down. My real hands are dripping blood. Some buttons press back. Subscribe before the doors close.